Hello students, welcome to Btech360. Yesterday, the MHT round 2 cutoffs were declared across all the colleges. What we're going to from now on cover is at a branch level, what kind of cutoffs you had in round 2 this year versus what happened last year. So that you know what kind of journey you have or what are your opportunities, what is the space that you have that you can get into a branch and college of your choice under the MHT counseling, which is Maharashtra State Counseling. So what we'll talk of is, as I told you, MHT Counseling 2026 top CSE. By the way, as I told you, we'll talk only branch level. So now this particular video would be only about CSE and allied branches, which is AI, data science, any of those things is what we'll cover. And we'll talk of round 2 closing rank analysis 25 versus 26. Now, a lot of you also have reached out to us because at times now there is a possibility that you may not get into a branch of your choice or a college of your choice or both as a combination. And you want to explore other options. If that is what you're looking for, if you're wanting to look at options beyond the MHT counseling, do send us a message on this number 8130376334. Apply is the message that you will send, and one of our counselors will call you, understand what is it you need, and maybe they'll be able to suggest some other colleges that are still open for admission. By the way, I must tell you that there are very few colleges that are open for admission at this point in time, but if you still need it, we'll be able to help you out. The other thing is there are quite a few foreign campuses that are setting up in Bombay, right? You actually have 4-5 foreign universities which are setting up campus in Bombay. So if you want to study in any of those foreign university campuses, which are in the top 500 in the rankings, world rankings across the globe, then you must send a message foreign on the same number 8130376334, and one of our counselors will call you out. And we're creating a lot of content to help students out. So do subscribe to Btech360 because you'll at least keep yourself updated of what are the opportunities that are coming up. And this is a series that we're doing. And this information and guidance series is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities and also ranked among the top 3% globally. They also have a Mumbai campus. Look out for that. Now let's start with the top CSE branches. Round 26 versus 25 is what we're talking about. Now, of course, the most competitive branches in VJTI, computer engineering. This year round 2 was 119, 25 last year, right? But this year in round 1 itself is over. So there is nothing called round 2 because in round 1, all the computer engineering branches were taken already. The second one is COEP Technological University, AI and Machine Learning branch. Last year was 556, this year it's 377. So it's become that much more competitive. And last year it ended at 589 by the time it finished it. Then again, VJTI comes in with Information Technology branch, 279 in last year. This year it's 75. Just imagine how competitive it's become to get into VJTI. And last year it ended at 620. Then again comes COEP, CSE branch, 404 last year. This year it's 170. So again it's become extremely competitive. And last year it ended at 913. So we actually have to see how it travels. But I do think that when I look at the ranks, that some of the better institutions, it will be extremely competitive and the ranks will fall dramatically this year. Then you have Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Sardar Patel Institute of Technology, Andheri, Mumbai, CSE, 818 last year. This year it's 428. Again, extremely competitive. Last year it ended 1134. Pune Institute of Computer Technology, Computer Engineering, 943 last year. This year it's 1012. This is the only one that grew at this point in time. Last year it ended 1151. Then you have Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Sardar Patel Institute of Technology, Andheri, Computer Engineering, 885 last year. This year it's 816. Last year it ended 1204. We're talking about only general open category. Remember that. Then you have Pune Institute of Computer Technology, AI and Data Sciences, 1329 last year. This year it's 1189. Ended with 1430 last year. Then you have Pune Institute of Computer Technology, Information Technology branch, IT branch. Last year was 1423. This year it's 1542. And last year it ended with 1686. Then you have Pune Institute of Computer Technology, again Electronics and Computer Engineering, 1678 last year. This year it's 1803. Ended with 1799 last year. Sri Vileparle Kelvani Mandals Dwarkadas Sangvi College of Engineering, Vileparle, Mumbai, Computer Engineering, 1805 last year. This year it's 1809. Ended with 2130 last year. Then you have Walchand College of Engineering, Sangli, Computer Science Engineering, 2340 last year, 2238 current year. Ended with 2509. Walchand College of Engineering, Sangli again, Information Technology, 2826 last year, 3072 in the current year, ended with 3055 last year, so it might increase dramatically as we move along. Then again, Sri Vileparle Kelvani Mandals Dwarkadas Sangvi College of Engineering, Information Technology, 2508 last year, 2598 this year, ended with 3159. Again the same college, AI and Data Science, 2653 last year, 2652 in the current year, ended with 3235. Again, the same college, computer science engineering, data science, 3020 last year, 1897, dramatic fall this year, ended with 3663 last year. Same college again, coming back, AI and machine learning, 3281 last year, 3041 in the current year, ended with 3760. The same college, Sri Vileparle, Kelvani Mandal, Dwarkadas Swangi College of Engineering, Vileparle, computer science and engineering, IoT and cybersecurity, including blockchain, 3376 last year, 3229 in the current year, ended with 3877. Bansilal Ramnath Agarwal Charitable Trust, Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, Bibewadi, Pune, computer engineering, 3729 last year, 4022 in the current year, ended with 4095 last year. Pimpri Chinchwad Education Trust, Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering, Information Technology, 4995 last year, 5640 in the current year, ended with 5176. Pimpri Chinchwad again, computer science engineering, AI and machine learning, 5211 last year, 6137 current year, ended with 5340 last year. Bansilal Ramnath Agarwal Charitable Trust, again Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, Information Technology, 4951 last year, 5684 in the current year, ended with 5563. Bansilal Ramnath again, Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, Computer Science and Engineering, AI and Machine Learning, 5349 last year, 5440 this year, ended with 5644. Vivekananda Education Societies, Institute of Technology, Chembur, Mumbai, Computer Engineering, 5893, 5843 current year, ended with 6074. Again, Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering, Pune, Computer Engineering, 5644 last year, 6781 in the current year, ended with 6321. Again, Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, Pune, Computer Science Engineering, 6168 last year, 6293 in the current year, ended with 6592 last year. Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, Pune again, AI and Data Science, 6612 last year, 7403 current year, ended with 6923. Again, VIT Pune, Computer Science Engineering, Data Science, 6920 last year, 7120 current year, ended with 7216. Again, VIT Pune, Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, Pune, CSE Software Engineering, 6885 last year, 7167 current year, ended with 71436 last year. Again, VIT Pune, IoT and cybersecurity, including blockchain, CSE में 7399 last year, 8225 current year, ended with 7867 last year. So that's what you have. By the way, we only showed a few of them. We did not show an exhaustive list. We only showed you a few so that you understand what the trajectory is. If you want a particular college, write to me in the message box. I'll be happy to cover that for you. If you want me to cover any other branch also, we'll also be doing core engineering branches as we move along for the MHT round 2. But if you want any specific branch, please write to me. I'll be happy to cover that for you. Any college also, I'll be happy to cover that for you. And if you need any help in terms of counseling, this is the number, 8130376334. Send us a message, apply. And one of our counselors will call you if you are still looking to explore other opportunities other than the MHT examination code. And if you want to get into any of the foreign campuses that are universities setting up campus in Mumbai, this is a message that you will send, foreign, and on the same number, 8130376334, and one of the counselors will call you and explain to you. Do subscribe to Btech360 because we're creating a lot of content to help students like yourself decide for yourself. And this is an information series, and this series is presented by MHT University, one of India's leading universities and also ranked among the top 3% globally. And they also have a Mumbai campus. Look out for them. Thank you so much. Namaste.